Hey guys, welcome to my Kajabi pricing video. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what you get for the basic Kajabi plan, and I'm going to show you how much it costs, what features you get, and in addition to that, I'm also going to compare it to the traditional online course creator tech stack. That's your online course platform, plus your email marketing software, plus your sales funnel software, plus your website builder, and then we're going to add all those costs together and then compare it to Kajabi so you can see the price difference. Is Kajabi at the end of the day worth it for you? And last but not least, I'm also going to show you how you can get Kajabi for $99. Okay, so all the links, the helpful links to Kajabi will be in the description below. I also have reviews about it, etc. I'm not going to bore you with that. Let's get started. I'm going to head on over to my laptop and break down Kajabi's pricing structure. Okay, so how much does Kajabi cost? Kajabi starts at the basic plan, which is $149 per month. Now, some people do get turned off by the high price of Kajabi, but here's the thing. Here's what you need to understand before you close out of this video and saying it's too high of a price for me. Kajabi is different than the Teachables of the world and the Thinkifics of the world, etc. The reason why is because it's an all-in-one platform. It does a lot more than those other platforms do. And to specify how it does this, let's get a little bit more specific and dive into the basic plan. The basic plan, let's zoom in a little bit. So with the basic plan, you're allowed 3 products, aka courses or digital products, whatever you want to sell. You're also allowed 3 pipelines. These are what Kajabi calls their sales funnels. So pipelines equal sales funnels. You also get unlimited landing pages, which is going to be great for your lead generation pages, your sales pages, your thank you pages, etc. Now, moving on from that, you also get marketing emails or email marketing. And then moving on from there, you get 10,000 contacts, you get 1,000 active members, and you get 1 website and 1 admin user. And you also get a lot more, as you can see down here, including the 0% transaction fee, which is really good when compared to other platforms. Now, before we move on to the comparison real quick, I do want to let you know that you can start Kajabi for free for 14 days on this page, but I do have a link for you if you want to try it out for even longer than that. That's a 28-day trial. Links are in the description below. Let's talk about the cost of not using Kajabi. This is the comparison. Now, using an online course tech stack usually looks something like this. You're combining a whole bunch of software that do one thing and one thing only, and you try to combine all of them to create an online course selling business. That's where Kajabi comes in and says, nope, we're not about that life. We're actually gonna make one tool that does all the things. With that said, let's take a look at the other side of the equation, how people actually manage these tech stacks and how much it costs when compared to Kajabi. Let's start off first with the traditional online course platform, a platform that hosts your content, delivers your content, creates engaging course experiences for your students, and does not have any transaction fees. Now, if you want something like that, like Teachable, costs $119 per month. Now, note, you should be watching out for transaction fees whenever you do decide on an online course platform. Kajabi doesn't have any, it has 0%. Teachable, though, has a 5% transaction fee at the $39 per month mark, so keep that in mind. And that's on top of what Stripe and PayPal take as their percentage fees. So you can see the fees for selling courses or any digital product do start to stack up if you don't keep these fees in mind. So number 2 in the tech stack is a sales funnel software. Remember, Kajabi uses pipelines to create sales funnels for selling courses. So if you're gonna go the tech stack route, you're gonna need something like ClickFunnels that helps you accept payments. It helps you create a checkout cart, helps you split test those checkout carts. You're able to upsell products. So once somebody buys a front end product, they can buy the one-time offer, and you can offer bump offer capabilities right on the checkout cart. So these are all things that Kajabi can do, but if you don't go with Kajabi, you'll need a platform like ClickFunnels, which is $97 per month starting. So the third thing you're going to need that Kajabi provides is an email marketing software. something like a convert kit or an active campaign. And active campaign here for 1,000 contacts costs you $29 per month. So you're going to need this to nurture your new leads, nurture your existing paid members list, email automation, and to keep your audience updated. Next up, you're going to need a website platform so you can host your company's or business's website, your front-end website, and that requires website hosting. It requires installing WordPress. It requires installing plugins such as WP Rocket and Contact Form 7 and a lot of other plugins. And you'll need a page builder like Elementor so you can actually build pages that look nice without having to understand HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So all those sum up to roughly $25 per month, give or take. And that's it for the tech stack. Now, some people might add in, Zapier and some other integration software as a part of their tech stack. I'm just going to keep it simple. So let's add up how much each of these software cost. The grand total of a traditional online course tech stack costs $270 per month or $3,240 per year. Now, this is way more than Kajabi already. It's way more even than the mid-tier plan. Now, take a look at Kajabi's pricing, which is $149 per month. A lot better already. Doing a little bit of math, you'll see that Kajabi saves you $1,452 per year or $121 per month. And that is a massive savings when compared to Kajabi. Alright guys, that does it for my Kajabi pricing video. If what I said made sense to you and it seems like a fit for you, Kajabi, the price at $149 per month versus $200 plus with the traditional online course tech stack, then go ahead and visit the link in the description below to sign up for Kajabi. You can start for free today. Now, for those of you who need a little bit more of a feature breakdown, I will be doing a review in the future, but for now, I do have a review article on my blog, freedomboundbusiness.com. This breaks down everything you need to know about Kajabi piece by piece. For instance, we start off with the course creation and student engagement. We then cover the site design and customization features, sales and marketing features, reporting and admin management, customer support and training, pros and cons, and a lot more. And finally, how to get Kajabi for $99. And this is how. You visit the page in the description below. The one you're looking at right here, it's $99 for 3 months. Doesn't matter what pricing plan you choose. With that said, guys, that's it for this video. Like the video, subscribe. I make videos just like this one reviewing digital marketing products to make you successful with your online business. And also, if you have any questions or comments about Kajabi, whether it's features or pricing, let me know in the comments below and I'll get back at you. All right, see you next time.